This is a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, a limited slip differential, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: the appearance package, memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 6 convenient locations, 9 different manufacturers, over 3,000 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.